Hello and welcome to Options Simplified. I'm so glad you're here. If you've ever been curious about options trading but felt it was too complicated or overwhelming, you're in exactly the right place. This course is designed specifically for beginners, people who've never traded options before but want to understand what they are and how they work. We're going to break down everything using simple, real-world examples that anyone can understand. No confusing jargon, no complicated math, just clear, practical explanations. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Before we dive in, let me share an important disclaimer that you need to hear. This course is designed purely for education, to help you understand what options are and how they work. Nothing in this course is investment advice, a trading tip, or a recommendation to buy or sell anything. Trading and investing in options involves real risk. You can lose money, sometimes all of your capital. What worked in the past doesn't guarantee it'll work in the future. You are responsible for your own trading decisions. Always do your own research, and if you're unsure, talk to a SEBI-registered financial advisor before putting real money into the markets. Got it? Good. Let's continue. Let me show you where you are on your trading journey. Think of learning to trade like building a house. You need a strong foundation first. Right now, you're at the very beginning, the foundation stage. This is where you learn the basics of what options are, how they work, and why traders use them. Once you understand this foundation, you'll move on to understanding how markets work. Then you'll develop analysis skills, learn strategies, and eventually you'll be ready for active trading. But here's the key. You can't skip steps. You wouldn't build the roof before laying the foundation, right? The same applies here. This course gives you that solid foundation. So relax, take your time, and let's build this knowledge together one step at a time. 1. So what exactly are you going to learn in this course? Let me give you the roadmap. First, we'll answer the big question. What are options? We'll use a simple house buying example that'll make everything crystal clear. Then we'll break down the two types of options, calls and puts. After that, we'll go through the 6 essential terms you absolutely need to know. Things like strike price, premium, and expiry date. But don't worry, we'll explain each one using simple, relatable examples. Then we'll look at real trading scenarios using stocks like Infosys, so you can see how this actually works in the Indian stock market. Finally, we'll cover the 4 main reasons why investors and traders use options. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of options and a clear action plan for what to do next. Sound good? Let's dive in. You might be wondering, why should I learn about options? What's in it for me? Well, let me give you 3 compelling reasons. First, leverage. With options, you can control a much larger position using less capital. Imagine controlling 5 lakh rupees worth of stock with just 25,000 rupees. That's the power of leverage. Second, protection. Options act like insurance for your portfolio. If you own stocks and the market crashes, options can protect you from losses, just like car insurance protects you when there's an accident. And third, flexibility. Options give you multiple strategies to profit whether the market goes up, down, or even stays flat. You're not stuck with just buying and hoping the price goes up. You have tools for every market condition. That's why learning options can be a game changer for your trading and investing journey. Before we jump into the content, let me quickly explain how this course works. First, we believe in real-world analogies. We're going to use simple examples, like buying a house, to explain options. Trust me, once you get the house example, options will click instantly. Second, we follow step-by-step learning. Each concept builds on the previous one, so don't skip ahead. Take it one step at a time. And third, we use Indian market examples. You'll see real examples using stocks like Infosys, Tata Steel, and indices like Nifty. because that's where you'll actually be trading. Here's the best part. This is your learning journey. Go at your own pace. Pause the video, replay sections, take notes. There's no rush. Understanding is more important than speed. Ready? Let's begin.